Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rida bin Kamarul Zaman and my metric number is 11DKA19F1055. So today I want to explain the aggregate impact value AIV test experiment simulation. Before we start any experiment, we need to wear the personal protective equipment PPE like eye protection, hand protection, foot protection, respiratory protection, and body protection. Okay, the objective of this experiment is to evaluate the toughness of aggregates to break down under application of impact and to determine aggregate impact value of the given sample of aggregate. The apparatus used is like impact testing machine, tamping rod, trowel, cylindrical mold, leveling rod, and weighing balance. Okay, step 1. We need to take coarse aggregate in a pan and measure it to 350 gram using the weighing balance. Step 2. Arrange the sieve in the decreasing order of their size. Place the pan at the bottom and then add weight quantity of coarse aggregate. Sieves are arranged in the ascending order as pan, next 10 mm and then 12.5 mm. Step 3. Place the set of sieve in the mechanical shaker. Step 4. Collect the coarse aggregate retained on 10 mm sieve in a separate container. Next, step 5, note down the empty weight cylinder W1, then fill the cylinder with the aggregate retained on 10 mm sieve in 4 layers. Tamping process is done to obtain uniform compaction and to avoid a void. So the answer is true. Step 6. Note down the weight of the cylinder along with the aggregate W2. So the weight of cylinder with the aggregate W2 is 2463 gram. Step 7. Place the cylinder in the setup. Release the hammer in order to apply the impact load. 15 blows are given at an interval of not less 1 second. Step 8. Transfer the aggregates to the sieve 2.36 mm, then place it in the mechanical shaker. Step 9. Note down the weight of aggregate passing through the 2.36 mm W3. The original weight of aggregate is 350 grams. The weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sieve is 72 grams. Okay, step 10 is observation and result. Empty weight of the cylinder W1 is 1911.5 grams. Weight of cylinder with the aggregate W2 is 2463 grams. Weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sieve W3 is 72. So we need to calculate the impact test value. W3 divide the W2 minus W1 multiply 100. So we need to divide the 72 with 2463 minus 1911.5 divide by 100. So the impact test value that I get is 13.06%. So classify the aggregate based on the impact test value. The answer is strong. Okay, the conclusion, since the impact value of aggregate is in the range of 10 to 20%, it is classified under toughness property strong. Thank you.